Are you looking for a home security camera that can handle it all? From protecting your home to keeping an eye on your loved ones? Well, the Reolink Altas PT Ultra is the ultimate solution. Let's explore some real-world scenarios where this versatile camera can make a difference. Imagine this: you're away on vacation, enjoying your time. Suddenly, you receive an alert on your phone. The Reolink Altas PT Ultra has detected suspicious activity. You quickly log in to the app to see the live feed of an intruder trying to break into your home. Thanks to the camera's wide field of view and pan and tilt capabilities, you can monitor the situation closely. You decide to activate the built-in siren and send a notification to your neighbour. The intruder, startled by the sudden noise and alarm, quickly flees the scene. Whether you live off-grid or simply don't have access to traditional power sources, the Altas PT Ultra is the perfect solution. Its long battery life and compatibility with solar power ensures that you can enjoy reliable surveillance even in remote locations. Monitor your property, deter wildlife, and stay connected to the world no matter where you are. For events and exhibitions, the Altas PT Ultra provides comprehensive security coverage, monitoring crowds, track important personnel, and detect potential threats. The camera's wide field of view and pan and tilt capabilities allow you to cover large areas, ensuring your safety and security for everyone attending. From protecting your home to monitoring your business, the Reolink Altas PT Ultra is the versatile security camera you've been waiting for. With its advanced features, reliable performance, and easy installation, is the perfect choice for anyone seeking peace of mind. So don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel to see more amazing Reolink's tips and tricks and product demos. And let us know in the comments below what you think of this incredible new camera. So stay safe, stay secure, see you next time.